guys, so welcome to the next episode of Amrij Ramadan Radiant series, and I'm going to walk you through the best products needed for the most flawless and a beautiful finish. So let's get started. The first product that I'm going to use is the Flawless Long Lasting Foundation. This will help minimize and blur your pores. It is matte finish. It is very long lasting for up to 24 hours and I love the finished look. So let's do it. So the look that I'm creating for you girls today is a boss lady look. And I think आप सब कहीं ना कहीं boss ही हैं, चाहे घर पर हैं, चाहे office पे हैं. And I really wanted to create this look for you guys. So I'm first going to take the foundation, oxidize it a bit. अपने brush पे लेकर again start applying it onto the skin. Again, मैं आपको यही बताऊंगी कि वहाँ सबसे पहले अप्लाई करें जहाँ कवरेज ज़्यादा चाहिए और उसको स्लोली ब्लेंड करते हुए इन सर्कुलर मोशंस दूसरी साइड पे जाएं और पूरे फेस पे इस तरह इसको अप्लाई करें. One tip is कि फाउंडेशन को कभी भी कंसीलर की जगह पे मत लगाएं, अदरवाइज आपका ये अंडर आई लुक बहुत ज़्यादा केकी हो जाएगा. बट सिंस दीज फाउंडेशंस आर सो ब्यूटीफुली टेक्सचर्ड कि आपको बिल्कुल केकी होने का कोई डर नहीं है. Since all of you girls, including me, we're all bosses, चाहे हम घर में हैं, चाहे हम ऑफिस में हैं, चाहे हम जिधर भी हैं, we all have that boss in us and I want to create this look for you girls. So you feel confident, you feel you're fierce and you're unbreakable. And this is how you will set your base. Using your foundation and then blending that into the skin. थोड़ा dab करेंगे ताकि वो skin के अंदर तक absorb हो और आपको एक flawless canvas देगा for your makeup. The next product is Super Pigmented Blush On in shade 4. This is the perfect color to give the rosy cheeks that I want to give right now to achieve the look that I love. My little pro tip is to get some blush onto the brush. Take the extra off. थोड़ा सा इसको warm up करो and then directly apply to the cheekbones, starting from the apple of the cheeks and dabbing it all the way up for the most natural rosy pink cheeks. I'm sharing this tip with you girls so you can achieve the same blush on using this shade, making your cheeks look naturally so pink and rosy. My next favorite product is the Selfie Ready Liquid Highlighter. So if you want to sparkle and shine like a diamond, this is the highlighter that you have to use. I always like to apply the highlighter with my fingers because वो इतने अच्छे से आपकी skin पे melt होता है with just using these two fingers. Using one finger, I'm going to apply the highlighter and then the other finger will be used to blend. और फिर थोड़ा सा अपना wet blender लेकर set the product into your skin and look at that shine and look at that glow. You need this glow to show the world that you are the boss. So look how creamy the texture is. It does not feel like we have any highlighter on her skin. It's just so radiating and so beautifully blended onto her skin. It's literally like sunk into her beautiful skin and looks a part of her skin. Look at that, guys. So beautiful. Look at me here. Perfect. So guys, I'm gonna finish my boss lady look using the Heartbreak lipstick, which is shade Nude and my absolute favorite shade. So I'll show you how this looks. It's a beautiful shade. It's so pigmented. It is matte and long wear and super hydrating. All the best things that you could ask for in one lipstick. So guys, nothing gives more heartbreak than using a heartbreak lipstick with so much confidence, because this is gonna be long lasting, super hydrating, and you won't have to worry about this coming off. And look how beautiful this looks. So this is a complete boss lady look, which is radiant, effortless, and beautiful. So these products are so necessary to create this look, so shop them at amrij.pk and stay tuned for the next episode.